Welcome to Serving Sansevieria. Today we're creating something special. A lush indoor garden made entirely of snake plants. From planning and planting to styling and care, you'll build a space that's green, calm, and low maintenance. Snake plants are famous for their resilience and architectural style. They thrive in poor light and minimal watering, making them perfect for a garden you can enjoy without constant fuss. We'll show you how to pick varieties and arrange them for maximum impact. First step, choose your zone. Will your garden be on a shelf, a corner, or grouped on the floor? Measure your space, consider light levels, and pick pots that complement your room. Keep drainage in mind. Snake plants don't like soggy feet. For a strong foundation, choose well-draining soil. A cactus or succulent mix amended with sand or perlite works great. Select pots with drainage holes. Terracotta is ideal as it wicks excess moisture. It's about setting up for healthy growth, not fancy plating. Now the fun part, planting. Remove plants from their nursery pots, shake off old soil, trim damaged roots. Place in new pots, fill with fresh mix, firm lightly. For a garden effect, stagger heights and textures. Tall varieties like Laurenti, medium like Moonshine, low like Honey, create layers. Style matters. Place a tall, variegated one at eye level, group a few compact ones on a side table, add one on the floor. Use contrasting pots or matching ones depending on decor. Add a spotlight for drama or place near indirect window light for growth. A few decorative stones or minimalist trays tie it together. Your garden will thank you. Water only when the top inch of soil is dry. Dust leaves regularly to maximize light absorption. Rotate plants monthly for even growth. Trim yellowing leaves. Fertilize lightly in spring. With consistent but minimal care, your snake plant garden will thrive. You've built something beautiful and resilient, your own snake plant garden. If you enjoyed this and want more plant projects and low-maintenance greenery tips, hit like, comment your favorite setup, and subscribe to Serving Sansevieria. See you next time in the jungle of calm.